splash, 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 splash. Ooh, splash, splash, splash. Baby shark is playing around. Come on, friends, don't delay. Let's wash our hands today in the ocean school so bright. Baby shark feels something not right. All the fish are feeling slow. Why are germs everywhere you go? Teacher shark says, oh, oh no. Dirty hands are causing woe. Shoo, shoo, germs, go away. Crab and fish are sneezing loud. No more play in happy crowd. Baby shark says, I know what to do. We need clean hands, me and you. But wait, water tap is dry. What can we do? Oh my, my. Oh no, what's the plan? Boo, boo, boo. Baby shark finds magic soap. Don't worry, friends, there is hope. He rubs his hands left and right. Suddenly germs take a flight. Rub, 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 soap so fun. Germs are running one by one. Water comes back, splash, splash, splash. Now it's time for hand wash bash. Fish start dancing, crab does spin. Clean hands party, let's begin. Baby shark leads with cheer. Clean hands magic is here. La la la, dance with me. Healthy, happy family. Baby shark, solve the day. Germs all ran far away. Clap, 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 jump and play. Clean hands happy every day. Splash, 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 splash. Splash, splash, splash. Splash, 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 splash. Splash, splash, splash. Clap, 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 jump and play. Clean hands happy every day. Clap, 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 jump and play. Clean hands happy every day. Baby shark's big birthday. Clap, 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 shout hooray. Cake is coming, yay, yay, yay. Ocean friends all gather round. Color balloons are floating around. Baby shark wears party hat. Where's my cake? I want it now. Got a yum yum, cake so sweet. Chocolate jelly, what a treat. Wait, wait, don't be late. Bring me my big birthday cake. Mommy shark brings a giant cake. Wiggle, wiggle, it starts to shake. Is it dancing? Is it alive? Cake said hello, what a surprise. Baby shark jumps back in shock. Cake starts spinning, tick tock tock. Shake, shake, funny cake. Wobble, wobble, silly cake. Is it real or is it fake? Talking, dancing birthday cake. Daddy shark says cut it fast. Cake runs away super fast. Grandma laughs, grandpa slips. Frosting lands on everyone's lips. Fish are sliding on the cream. This is wild, it's like a dream. Run, run, catch that cake. Don't let it escape the plate. Jump and splash and twist and shake. Catch that naughty birthday cake. Baby shark tries one more time. Come here, cake, you will be mine. He jumps up high, splash. Oh no, falls straight into frosting snow. Now he's covered head to toe. Looks like cake, hello, hello. Messy mess, what a sight. Baby shark is creamy white. Laugh, laugh, clap your fins. Hooray fun, everybody wins. Cake stops running, soft and sweet. Okay, friends, now you can eat. Everyone takes a yummy bite. Best cake ever, pure delight. Candles glowing, wishes made. Happy smiles never fade. Clap, 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 hooray, hooray. Best birthday ever today. Sing along and celebrate. Fun with baby shark and cake. Pop the balloons, dance around. Happy laughter Who is hiding, can you see? Peekaboo, don't be late. Let's play bubble hide and seek. Baby shark says close your eyes. What? Count to 5, no peeking, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready or not, here I dive. Bubbles floating all around. One's hiding, make no sound. Hide, hide, where are you? In a bubble, big or blue? Look around and take a peek. Let's play bubble hide and seek. One big bubble, wobble, wobble. Is it Mommy? Tiny giggle. Pop, it bursts. Oh, what a trick. It's just Daddy doing a flip.
Okay, everyone, let's play hide and
Pop,
seek.
pop, guess, guess, try again. Was it shark or was it friend? Pop, pop, quick and sleek. Keep on playing hide and seek. 3 small bubbles side by side. Is that baby trying to hide? Pop, 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 oh what a sound. Just little fish jumping around. Everyone laughs, that's so funny. Look, look everywhere. Someone's hiding where? Oh, where? Big or small, fast or slow. Find the shark before they go.
7, 8, 9, 10, 10. Ready or not?
One huge bubble floats so high. Who is that up in the sky? Baby shark shouts, it's not me. But wait, inside, who could it be? Pop, surprise appears. Grandma shark with party cheers. Surprise, surprise, what a peek. Grandma wins at hide and seek. Clap your fins and laugh out loud. That was funny, wow, so proud. Now it's baby's turn to hide. In a bubble, I will glide. He hides quiet, small and neat. Can you find me? Tap your feet. Mommy looks, Daddy spins. Where is baby? Who will win? Pop, I'm here, he shouts with glee. Confound, we did it.
Hooray, baby shark is here.
Baby shark was super quick. Clap, clap, shout hooray. Let's all play again together. Peekaboo, 1, 2, 3. Play again with family. Hide and seek is full of fun. Bubbles shining in the sun. Ellie, Ellie, where are you? Little elephant, we miss you. Jump and loud and walk, walk, walk. Find your family, hip, hip, hooray. Baby Ellie went to play one day in the jungle, green and far away. She saw pretty flowers, red and blue. Followed a butterfly. Oh, where are you? Ellie, Ellie, where are you? Little elephant, we miss you. She walked and walked on her tiny feet. Met a naughty monkey swinging so sweet. Monkey said, come climb with me. But Ellie said, oh no, I want my mommy. Then she met a wise old parrot bright. Parrot said, don't worry, we'll fly right. Giraffe stretched tall and looked a wild. Pointed the way with a happy sound. All the friends helped Ellie find the way. Through the river and tall grass they play. She heard her mommy's trumpet so loud. Ran fast and hugged her in a big cloud. Now baby Ellie is happy and gay. Never goes far when she wants to play. Holds mommy's tail tight every day. Family love is the best play. Trumpet, trumpet, hug, hug, hug. Little Ellie snuggle, snug. Boom, boom, clap, clap. Old MacDonald's farm is back. Boom, boom, jump and sing. Farm chaos led to boom. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm a cow went boom, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, then one knocked on every row. Boom, boom, what a sound, milk is splashing all around. E-I-E-I-O, oh no, farm is going crazy, yo. And on this farm a chicken ran, E-I-E-I-O. It danced so fast like boom, boom, man. With a cluck, cluck here and a cluck, cluck there, eggs are bouncing in the air. Boom, boom, egg attack, chickens doing funky dance track. E-I-E-I-O, let's go. Farm is shaking head to toe. And on this farm a pig said boo, E-I-E-I-O. Jumped in mud with a splashy zoom. Ooh. With a oink oink here and a oink oink there, mud is flying everywhere. Boom boom, muddy fun, pig is sliding like a drum. E-I-E-I-O, so wild, even MacDonald shocked and smiled. And on this farm a sheep went pop, E-I-E-I-O. Jumped so high it never stopped. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, wool is floating in the air. Boom boom, fluffy storm, sheep are breaking every norm. E-I-E-I-O, hooray, farm is dancing all the way. Old MacDonald says, oh wow, this farm is wild, I don't know how. He tries to calm the boom boom sound, but animals keep jumping around. Boom boom, farm on fire, funny way. Music, chaos, wild desire. E-I-E-I-O, so fun, best farm party ever done. Boom boom, clap clap, sing with me, Old MacDonald's crazy spree. E-I-E-I-O, we go, farm your fun will always glow.
With a clap.
Baby shark, baby shark, brush brush brush, brush brush brush, yummy yummy teeth, brush brush brush, mommy shark, brush brush brush, daddy shark, brush brush brush, grandpa shark, brush brush brush, brush brush brush. Funny verses. Baby shark ate lots of fish at night, his teeth went yellow, what a sight. Mommy said, oh no no no, time to brush, let's go go go. He brushed up and down like a crazy clown, brushed round and round, upside down. Brush left side, swish swish swish, brush right side, swish swish swish. Funny action part, toothpaste on, squeeze squeeze squeeze. Bubbles coming, bloop bloop bloop, spit it out, toop toop toop. Now his teeth go shine shine shine, super funny ending. Baby shark looked in the mirror, smiled so big, wow, I'm a winner! His teeth so white, shiny and bright, he danced and sang with all his might. Now every morning, every night, baby shark brushes with D-White. If you want teeth like baby shark, brush, 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 yay, yay, yay! Yay, 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 yay! Brush, 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 yay, yay, yay! Brush, 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 swish, 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 sparkle, sparkle, shine. Baby shark teeth, super fine, yay, yay, yay! Family fun, yay, yay, yay! Find Dino was stomping on the ground. Wow! Five Dino was stomping on the ground. Stomp, 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 what a sound! One slipped down and hit a stone. Miles of the jungle echo with a groan. So the leader called the birds and the babe then said, no more dinos stomping around the ground. Four dinos were stomping on the ground. Stomp, 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 honk, honk sound. One fell off and hurt his toe, rolling down so slow, slow, stomping on the ground, stomping loud all around. One bumped into a jungle tree. Ouch! He shouted loudly. So the leader called the monkey, and the monkey then said, "These dinos are too wild all on the ground." Two dinos were stomping on the ground, stomp, stomp, stomp all around. One slipped in, muddy little kiss. What are we gonna do? So the leader called the lion, and the lion then said, "No more stomping on the ground." One dino was stomping on the ground, stomp, stomp, no sound. He fell down with a tiny roar, hiss, and broke the jungle floor. So the leader called the wizard, and the wizard then said, "Fix the ground, fix the ground." They fixed the ground with magic glow. Now the jungle starts to flow. All dinos came back again, happy stomping in the rain. So the leader called the dinos, and they then said, "Come on, let's stomp again tonight." Listen to other dino jungle songs. Hiding was fun, ha 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 ha. 5 baby sharks hiding one day. Do-do-do, do-do-do. Where are you? Come out and see. Come out, do-do-do-do. 5 baby sharks hiding one day. Do-do-do-do-do-do. One hid behind the big red coral. Mommy shark looked, "Oh, where are you, my little coral?" Out came the first baby shark with a cheeky smile. Oh no! 4 baby sharks hiding one day. 4 baby sharks hiding one day. Do-do-do-do-do-do. One hid in the green seaweed sway. Mommy called, "Come out and play." Out swam the second baby shark, wiggling away. 3 baby sharks hiding one day. Do-do-do-do-do-do. One hid inside the old shipwreck. Mommy peeked in. What the heck? Out popped the third baby shark, surprise attack. 2 baby sharks hiding one day. Do-do-do-do-do-do. One hid under a big shiny rock. Mommy found him. Tick-tock, tick-tock. Out came the 4th baby shark, laughing non-stop. One baby shark hiding one day. Do-do-do-do-do-do. He hid so well, Mommy couldn't see. She got worried, where could my baby be? Then suddenly, out came the last baby shark with a big grin. Big happy end, all 5 baby sharks together at last. Hugging Mommy super fast, they swam and played the whole day through. Best hiding game, thanks to you. Wow! 5 baby sharks hiding was fun.